This is Jacob Krantz, Remax Krantz Associates. This is going to be the best value you see in a condo all year. Check out my new listing. There is a lot to love with this condo. Great furnishings, updated finishes, massive rooms. It's over 1,400 square foot with a 3.3, plus these amazing views. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your busy day to check out my new listing. If you or any of your friends have questions about this condo, please give us a call at 573-302-2355.